So I was asked to remix this song.
Where can I find a guy like you, who is handsome, kind, and would treat me good?
I'm going to now go through the process of what I did to remix the song. So if we just now take a listen,
Kind, and would treat
you'll hear that
me
sort of
good.
kickstart going through the whole track.
But we'll never be more than
So immediately you've got more of a dancey type of vibe. Also in the vocals, I added a Sound Toys little micro shift, and just hear what it sounds like without.
where can I find a guy like you?
The next thing I did is I added a 707 core kit. Now these can be found under the drums section. I just took a 707 core kit. This is just a kick drum basically playing throughout the entire track. So let's just take a listen now.
Wish my thoughts had an off button. Where can I find a guy like you, who is handsome, kind, and
So I thought that's really cool. The next thing I needed really was a top line snare beat. So I added this one here. So let's just take a quick listen.
you call me up. You call me up at 3 a.m. 3.
And you really need one that really fits with the track, and this one did, and it took me a while to find it, but it's a cool little loop. And then the last thing I wanted to do was obviously add a bass line that sort of fits the style of the song. And I found this one, which is kind of like a slap bass sound. So what I did then is I kind of chopped them up. If you have a look at each one, I increased or decreased the pitch accordingly. So for example, it's the same sample, but I reduced this section by -6, this section by 1. I just kept doing that until it kind of fit. So let's listen to how it all sounds together.
But we'll never be more than we are now as friends. You call me up. You call me up at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. But you're not my boyfriend.
So as you can see, just with a few extra elements, you can really change the song to be something completely different.